Some of the kids at school made fun of me because I don't have new clothes to wear most of the time, and my mother and father didn't have enough money to provide new clothes for me. My parents worked very hard to earn the money, but it wasn't so cool. In the end, it was a blessing in disguise because I grew up in a not rich environment, and I do learn every day how vital is money to fulfill our demand. We never had much money, but we always seemed to get by. My parents emphasized education and a lot of reading. I used to read all my mom's old college history books for fun in the summer when I ran out of library books. I got good grades in high school and got into a great college. I spent too much time partying in college, but did manage to graduate. When I walked out of school in 1990, I had no clue the beatdown life was about to throw my way. I was fresh out of college and thought the world owed me a living. I quit or got fired from 5 different jobs in the first 24 months out of school. Every single one of those jobs was 100% commission sales. I sucked at every one of them. I barely made enough money to put food on the table, and my bills were always late, if they got paid at all. One day my life changed when I sold an ebook social media 30 days post to a lady who said, "You'd be great in my business." Turns out she was in the construction origination business. So within 30 days I got a job as a computer operator for a construction company, all the time delayed paying my salary. One day, I was fed up and I had an argument with the GM of the company about giving me a shot. In 2008 I had a chance meeting at homecoming at my old college and ran into a fraternity brother. We got to talking and he mentioned he and his dad had a web server and he was selling web space through their advertising agency. I'd written a few books about social media and asked him if he thought I could sell it online. He said yes. And that began a 2-year odyssey of learning how to translate what I knew in the offline world into marketing in the online world. After 5 years I was able to go full-time online, and over the last 8+ years I've figured out how to not only sell millions of dollars a year online, but to help others do it too. Now I'm doing something I never imagined over 2 decades ago. I'm helping other people who have no clue how to sell, but have a product, message, or ideas they want to get out into the world. In short, I help people who don't know how to start and find the right profitable affiliate programs, but have been in the PWA program, which really helped me change my life drastically. I love helping people who are just like I was not too long ago. Nobody is born knowing how to sell. Nobody is born knowing the secrets to getting people to buy, try, subscribe, sign up, call on the phone, or click a link. But the cool thing is all that can be learned. In fact, a lot of times it's easier for people with no sales experience because they don't have to unlearn anything. They just need to jump into action. This is super important to me because I've seen how much life sucks when you have a message to share and you don't know how to sell your ideas and products to other people. I've also seen how amazing life can be when you do know how to use the right words to get people to click, buy, try, and subscribe. Your ability to use sales copy and affiliate marketing can literally change your life and the lives of your family members forever. For now, I'd love to get your feedback on what I just shared with you. Do you have a message to share, but you're not sure how to sell your audience on it? Have you tried to sell stuff in the past, but come up short? I'd love to know more about where you are on your journey right now.